Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkins Nurseries, and keep those little hands busy during this upcoming March break with 3 hands-on workshops for the kids. Our first class for the kiddos is this spring watering can, beautiful bright spring colors. Kids can pot them up with some pansies, sedums, and some moss. All these supplies are included in this class for $15. And our second class for the kids is our Paint a Pot and Pot It Up. All the soil supplies, paints, paintbrushes, and everything is included for $15. Kids can get creative and finish it off with a beautiful spring flower to get them excited for the season ahead. And our third class this March break, and one I'm very excited about, is our sun catcher and bookmark. And these are made out of pressed dried flowers. They're absolutely beautiful. This class is suitable for ages 7 and up and is also $15 plus tax. So sign up online for all of our classes this March break at sipkins.myshopify.com. And while you're there, you may also discover some great adult options, seminars, and workshops coming up this spring season.